Let's be honest. Most freelancers are leaking money without realizing it. You're not broke because you're lazy. You're broke because no one gave you the right system for the freelance life. In this video, I'm going to show you the 7 money leaks that are quietly draining your income and how to plug them fast. No fluff, just strategy that works. Let's go. Now you work hard. Clients, deadlines, long nights, learning new tools, delivering results, and yet, your bank account says, not enough. 1 month you earn $8,000. The next, $2,300, and somehow you're always stressed about money. That's not a hustle problem. That's the leak problem. Here's what I see after coaching hundreds of freelancers. You're skilled. You bring in real money, but you're still living month to month. You panic every tax season. You still have no idea how much of your income is actually yours. Why? Because most financial advice is made for employees. Fixed paychecks, predictable expenses, benefits, and structure. You don't have any of that, so you're using the wrong tools for the job. Let me show you what this looks like in real life. Sarah's a freelance designer. Talented, booked solid. She made $8,400 1 month, then $2,100 the next. She kept thinking, if I just earn more, it'll balance out. So she took on weekend projects, said yes to every client, but the anxiety never went away. Her savings? Gone. Her tax bill? A nightmare. Her pricing? All over the place. She tried budgeting apps, spreadsheets, even money mindset coaching. Nothing stuck, because the advice she followed was built for people with consistent income, and she didn't have that. As a freelancer, your reality looks like this. Clients pay late or not at all. Income spikes and crashes. Some months feel rich, others feel scary. And still, you're expected to budget like a normal person. That doesn't work. Trying to follow employee rules in a freelancer's world, it's like using a GPS built for cars while you're hiking through a forest. You need a different map. Now imagine this. Your income is water. Your financial system is a bucket. If that bucket has holes, it doesn't matter how much you pour in, it'll never fill. Most freelancers don't need more income. They need a better bucket. Let's find together your holes. These are the 7 leaks quietly draining your freelance income. 1. Budgeting based on your best month. That's fantasy budgeting. Use your lowest month as your baseline. 2. Guessing your taxes. Either you undersave and panic in June, or you hoard cash and choke your business. 3. Mixing business and personal money. If it's all in one account, you're flying blind. 4. Pricing based on fear. You charge what feels safe, not what reflects value or strategy. 5. Scaling too early. You hire or outsource before your system is stable. That burns cash fast. 6. Ignoring slow seasons. You pretend every month will be good. Spoiler, it won't be. 7. Chasing income instead of fixing the system. More money won't help if your bucket still leaks. Ask yourself which of these leaks hit you? Comment below. So here's what Sarah and I have changed. Step 1. We used her lowest month as her baseline, $2,100. That became her survival budget. Step 2. Everything above that was divided into taxes, business growth, emergency fund, and long-term savings. Step 3. We separated her money into accounts: business, personal, profit buffer. Within 90 days, she had 3 months of savings, paid her taxes on time, and said no to bad fit clients without fear. She didn't earn more. She just stopped leaking. Every time you check your account and feel dread, that's not normal. That's your nervous system reacting to chaos. Every time you say yes to a client you hate, that's survival mode, not strategy. When you're constantly reacting to money problems, then your creativity drops. Your confidence shrinks and your work suffers. This isn't just financial. It's emotional, and you deserve better. Now imagine this. Every dollar has a job. Your income feels predictable, even when it isn't. You know exactly what's safe to spend, and slow months don't freak you out. That's what Sarah has now. And it's what every successful freelancer eventually builds. Not a budget, not a spreadsheet, but a system. One designed for real life. Most freelancers fail because they're chasing more income, but in reality their system is broken. The truth? A broken system will always break your success. You don't need another course. You don't need a fancy app. You need a system that holds your money when it finally comes in. And that's what I'm going to help you build. If this hit you, you know what to do. Build your baseline. Stop the leaks. Separate your accounts and pay yourself consistently. Start running your freelance income like a real business. And here's the truth, what you learned today. It's just the surface. In a future video, I'll show you the full step-by-step system I use with clients. It changes everything. But for now, subscribe and check the link in the description for tools you can use today. Let's fix the trap. Let's stop the leaks. Let's build the freelance life you actually deserve. You don't need more hustle. You need more clarity. Let's go build it together.